Welcome to the Good Times We Share. Today we're going to be sharing with you a very simple, easy and tasty recipe. Today we're sharing with you a simple coleslaw salad recipe. We hope you enjoy this as much as we do. So the first step to our recipe is you're going to get a quarter of a medium-sized cabbage, which you're going to slice up like so. This should be enough for about 2 to 4 people depending on how much you like eating your salad. So setting the cabbage aside, we're going to get our red, yellow and green paper. Apart from improving the color of our food, it also improves the taste if you have all the peppers in there. So we're going to get a quarter from each medium-sized pepper, and we're just going to cut them up and dice them into cubes, which are good for the bite. So setting that aside, our next ingredient is the tomatoes. With the tomatoes, I would say if you're looking to eat this salad even the following day, I would say you omit the tomato entirely because the tomatoes go bad really fast. Or if you insist on putting in the tomato like me, then you're going to have to remove all the water and all those seeds so that you have your salad being very dry. So once the tomatoes are cut, you're going to move on to the carrots, which you're going to peel and grate in this way. The carrots are done, you're going to dice up some spring onion, and then you're going to move on to mixing everything. So you get a nice big bowl, put in your cabbage, put in your peppers, your carrots, your tomatoes, and your spring onions, and then you're just going to mix everything up in this way. So mixing everything up, you're then going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, mixing it up as well into the vegetables. Then you're going to add 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Then you're going to mix the mayonnaise into the vegetables, folding it into the vegetables gently and making sure it is well spread in the vegetables. So once that is done, we're then going to add 1/2 tablespoon of sugar. This improves the taste but also reduces the acidity of the salad. So once that is done, mixing the sugar really well, your salad is ready. Your salad is done. Buon appetito a tutti. We hope you enjoyed this. Until next time, it's bye-bye.